This video shows how to buy shares of Wallix Group SA, a French cybersecurity firm listed on Euronext under the ticker ALLIX.PA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Please understand the risks before investing. To buy stocks, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your balance before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALLIX.PA to find Wallix Group SA on Euronext. Select the matching listing to make sure you have the correct security. On the asset page, you will see a short company summary, key facts, and the price chart. Double-check the exchange and ticker to confirm you are viewing the Wallix Group SA listing. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed or pending. Check the link in the description to follow the same steps on eToro.